Hello students, this question is taken from test series 4 IN from the subject measurements from the topic electronic measuring instruments 2, and it is of 2 marks question. The given question, a coil is connected in series with a variable capacitor and it is tuned to using a Q meter, which is nothing but coil is connected in series with the variable capacitor and it is tuned to resonance using a Q meter and having the frequency of 450 kilohertz, having the resonating capacitor of 250 picofarad, which is given resonating capacitor 250 picofarad, and Q meter reads 105, which is given Q meter readings of 105. The effective inductance and resistance of the coil is, we have to find the value of effective inductance and resistance of the coil for the given specifications. So in order to find the value of effective inductance and resistance, first we will calculate the value of inductance of the coil, that is effective inductance, that is L is equal to 1 by 2 pi f square c, that is nothing but 1 by omega c, which is nothing but omega is nothing but 2 pi f omega naught square, that is nothing but 4 pi square f square c. So the value of 1 by 4 pi square f is given 450 kilohertz. The value of resonating capacitor 250 picofarad. After solving this value, we can get the value of effective inductance of the coil is 500 microhenry. So first we will calculate the value of inductance, and then in order to find the value of resistance of the coil, the given value, the shunt resistance for all constituting all the losses is given 0.75, which is given shunt resistance 0.75 ohm. So in order to find the value of resistance with, so the formula for Q is equal to omega naught L by R plus R S H, where omega naught is equal to the 2 pi f, which is nothing but 2 pi f, and L is the inductance of the coil, R is the resistance of the coil, RSH is the shunt resistance, and Q is the Q meter readings. This is the formula to calculate the value of Q. From this formula we can calculate the value of resistance. So we know the value of Q is given 105 readings, omega is equal to 2 pi f, that is 2 pi f is 450 kilohertz into effective inductance we have calculated 500 microhenry by R plus RSH. After solving this value, we will get the value of R is 13.46 minus 0.75, which is given RSH is 0.75. After solving this value, we will get the value of 12.714, which is option. Inductance is 500 microhenry and resistance of 12.76 ohm, which is option A. In this session, we have studied about how to calculate the effective inductance of the coil and resistance of the coil. Thank you.